So once you've set up your Facebook ad account, you're simply going to go to this link here, facebook.com/ads /manager /account underscore settings. And then you're going to, this is how you send me your Facebook ad account ID. And you're simply going to copy this number here, that's your ad account ID, and just send that to me. Once I request access to your ad account, you're going to come back to this link here, facebook.com/ads /manager /account underscore settings. And on the right hand side here, you're going to see request from me. Just hit accept and just make sure you make me an admin again of your account. And that is it.